How many? I got 11 left. All right, that's looking good. That's looking good. Here's the trade so far. Let's go. What am I up? I'm up 46.40, 879, 330, 350, and 41.50 so far. I'll show you exactly how to do that tonight, guys. What it's all about, how it's done, why it's done, why you should do it, why you should not do it, why you're at risk for not doing it. Let me give you an analogy. You guys ready? Listen. We got 10 minutes. Listen. Here's the analogy of how I'm trading and how I got all my accounts and the prop firms. What the prop firms are. What's a prop firm? How do the prop firms work? Why do they give you money to trade? Because they make 10% of what you make. That's nice. And they make transaction fees on the commissions. Everyone, big commissions, especially with copy trading. So yeah, the firms make a bunch, just like the casinos do. You know what a casino is, right? They make a bunch of money when you trade in the casino. Okay? So you go into the casino. They have tons of tables all over the place. You go to the window. You say, I'm the best damn player. Let me go to the tables. I'll show you what I could do. I could make some money with the chips. Give me some chips. Let me make some money. I'll show you. Right? So you go and you give them $10. That's it. Just $10. And they give you $50,000 in chips. 50 grand in chips. But there's two tables. The first table is the demo table. It's not real. Because you don't win or lose there. They just want to see how you play. And the other table's the real one. You can't go there yet. You got to prove you could play on the demo table before heading over to the real one. Okay, and you don't play with the same chip stack. So they give you the 50,000 in chips. You go to the demo table. You got to turn the 50,000 to 53,000. And with your skills, you can do that easily in trading. You're an amazing, you're the best. So easily you do that, right? If you lose the 50,000 and you go to 47,000, you're done. You got to go back and give them $10 and go try again. But you're good, so that won't happen to you. So they give you 50K in chips. You sit down. You show them you could make 3 grand. No problem. You make 3 grand. You stop. You stand up. You go back to the window. Say, here's my 53,000 in chips. Count them. Made 3 grand. They count them. They're like, yep, you're a good player. You can go to the live table. $100. Here's $50,000 in chips. Go to the live table. Again, if you lose, you're stopped at 47,000. You will not have to pay anything. You're not responsible for the losses. That's the deal, because you've proved yourself. But if you win, like you did over there on the demo table, you get to keep all of the profits, and it's only $100. So if you think you can make 3 grand again, cost you $100. You want to go do that at the casino? That's what the prop trading is. For $10, they give you a 50K account. You got to make 3 grand. Then you give them $100. They give you another 50K real account. And whatever you make, you get to keep. It is the most way you're going to get $50,000 to trade for $100. It's unheard of, guys. Really is. Unheard of in the industry. And that's what I do. And that's what I'm going to be showing you tonight. Well, how that all works, how you can make money, how you trade, how you don't trade, why you trade, all that great stuff. So let me head back over to the main screen. So I'm in this one, scaling into the trade to go back through 50. There it is. Told you. Just made $2,000 right there. Look at that. 53. That's $2,000. Look at that. I just made $2,000 live on the MOJO show. Right there for you to see. Right there it is. 1994. I got 14 little micros left. Told you. Guys, it's exactly how you do it. I'll show you. Click the link for the webinar tonight. I'll see you at 8 o'clock. You're not going to want to miss my live class I'm teaching post-Thanksgiving, November 27th, 28th, and 29th. There's no question about it. Will be the sickest educational compound learning craziness that you've ever witnessed before. Nobody teaches like me. You will learn more from me than you will from somebody in years and years to come, because I do not look at charts. You could see that. I trade strictly off the price of that ETF and where it's moving to, and watch me go. That's what I do. Show you how to trade. Press the buttons like a video game. When it goes up in the red, on the red, see the red? That's how much money I'm losing. You press the button to buy. I'm short selling. Then when it comes down in the green right here, up in the green, you see the $100 down here. You go up to about 100, 190 is right here. You put a couple in right there. So if it goes there, that's about $200. That's about $200 right there. And it's got to go to 53 or 54 on SQQ, and it'll swoop that whole row of profit. Watch. It's 51 by 52. Watch. See, they're cross-marketing at 52 across. Look. Look at the level 2. Now they're cross-marketing back at 51 to drive into 50. Now they're going back and forth. See them? See them? 3 minutes to the open, guys. 3 minutes to the open. I already crushed it today. Up $4,000, $2,000, $879, and $333. The big ones are not PAs. They're evals. The smaller ones, the $879 and the $333, are PAs. Could you see the difference? That's what I'm going to teach you, dudes, the differences of how to trade them. Yes, sir. Let's line this baby up. It already is. Right there's $200. That's 54. Here it comes. Look, 53. Look. 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 Look, 54. See, they're squeezing it. Look, told you. Look, the whole row. I'll teach you exactly how to do that every time. Look at that. $200. Got paid for your whole course. Done. One shot. You got a lifelong learning, crushing. Cha-ching. Cha-ching. That's how you do it, boys. And it didn't even move much. Fuck the chart. Screw the lines. Screw the indicators. You know, indicators are hundreds of dollars, dude, a month. Screw that shit. Doesn't work. This works, and it's proven. And I'm going to show you how to do it. I just showed you how to do it live. I'll show you how to do it. I'll help you get your computer set up like mine. I'll get you the DOS Trader with the level 2, or you'll share mine. It's a no-brainer. Yes, sir. Make it happen, boys. For the Webby. It's tonight.